Assalamu alaikum friends. This is Rashid, and today I will tell you that how you can use the borders for your assignments, for your projects, for your thesis. You just need to follow me. Okay? You just need to come in design page borders. From here you can select none, box, shadow, 3D. I will select 3D. From here you can customize. Okay? From here you can choose a style. From here you can choose the color. This is the gauge of the line, and this is the different styles art. Okay, you just need to select and press OK. So the borders are there. So this is the way by which you can put the border in your documents. So thank you. This is all for this tutorial. See you.